Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through cleaning up your Windows 11 system by removing all that unnecessary cache and junk. We'll use built-in tools like this cleanup tool, the Prefetch command, and more, so stick with me. So first of all, click on Windows plus R and then you type in Prefetch, as you can see. Then click OK. And all you need to do is Control and A, select all, and then delete. And it will delete all the files on the folder. If something is not deleting, just leave it because it is in use right now. Just click on Skype. And now, again, open the run command. And now this time, type in temp. OK. And now delete all the files on this folder again. And the same thing is, if something is in use, that just leave it alone. Now open the run command again, and this time type %temp and another %. And now select all and then delete everything. Those files are in use by Camtasia Studio, my recording software, so I will just leave them alone. Now that's great. Now the last thing, open the run command again and look for clean. Type in cleanmgr, as you can see, and click OK. Just wait for some time. This tool is scanning your C drive. It is very important to do this at least one time a month. Make sure to select all those unwanted files, as you can see, and click OK. Delete all the files. Give this tool some time for cleaning. Now the last thing to do is go to your recycle bin and right click and click on empty recycle bin, as you can see. I already did that, but you need to do that in order to remove all the file on your recycle bin. And that's it. Once you've cleared all the junk on your Windows 11, your PC should feel snappier and more responsive. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.